Complex skills are skills where the performer has to process lots of information and make lots of decisions. The skill has many parts to it and requires a lot of feedback during its performance. An example of a complex skill is like a football pass to a receiver. The motor skill taxonomy defines two general dimensions and structures a table that consists of 16 different skill categories. It emphasizes that every action that we carry out is the result of the complex interaction between the environment, the task, and the person performing the task. A pass in football would be considered 4B on the Gentile's taxonomy chart. Because the subject is moving, the skill would be under body stability. Because there is an object that is being thrown, the skill falls under object manipulation. And because of the in-motion variability of the skill, the final classification of passing a football to a receiver is 4B. In this chart, we see that the segments of the same color are considered to be the same difficulty, with the easiest of skills at the top left, such as standing in a room alone, all the way to the most difficult on the bottom right, like practicing several soccer plays with a ball and defenders. The way these skills are classified is actually very simple. There are two main factors that are involved with the process: environmental context and the function of the action. In environmental context, we need to know whether or not the subject is in motion or static, as well as if the conditions of the action are constant at every trial or if they have variability. In action function, there are different factors like body stability and body transport, which again is determined by the subject's body position and if they are moving or not. There is another factor in action function, which is object manipulation, which means that there's a secondary condition that we have to worry about, which is an object and how it will affect the variability of the test based on how the object reacts to the subject. Throwing a football to a receiver is classified as a 4B skill. However, in order to teach the skill, we must make it easier. So to start off, we practice without a ball and no receiver. That skill would be classified as 1A. Then we can add a ball. Throwing a football to nobody, but using an actual ball, would classify the skill as 1B, because we added an object to manipulate. Then we need to practice throwing the ball while moving, which changes from stationary regulatory conditions to in-motion regulatory conditions. And once again, the classification changes to 3B. After they practice that for a while and are comfortable with throwing a football while moving, then we can add another person that they then have to throw the ball to, a receiver. This addition adds inter-trial variability, which is the finished product of this skill at 4B.